Good morning, good evening to all of you. My name is Rajni Sharma, and today I'm going to show you my Binance account live trading where Kiwi trading bot is trading in my account automatically. Okay, this was a huge demand actually from so many people, leaders. Um, they were coming to me asking about this video where I can show you guys everything how this vote works and to show you actually everything regarding this bot and how it is trading and all. So just to start with, let me just show you my account. So this is my account, guys. Okay, and we'll go, first of all we'll go here in orders, spot orders. Okay, so here you can see in open orders, these are the orders which are going on at this moment. In order history, if I go here from, because 7th of August my account was started, so if I go here and search, you will see these number of orders, pages and everything. You will see here 188 pages. Okay, and that's called order history. And now I'm going to trade history. So as my account was started on 7th of August with Kiwi, and their vote started trading in my account on 7th of August 2021. So I'm selecting that period 7th August till 2nd September, resetting, searching. So there you go. Okay, so here you can see down here, totally down here, you can see I have a trading history of 229 pages from 7th August till today, which is massive actually if you look at it. Let me just go to the 229th page. That's the first page when trading started. I opened my account with $10,000. Okay, and my first trade by Kiwi bot was placed on 7th August at around 12:24 a.m. I guess. So that was in bond. This is how they are trading. Okay, this is how the price of the bond was. That's the quantity, and that's the fee and all, and that's the total quantity, total USDT, right? This is how they are trading in small portions, so that there is always room to buy some more tokens later on, coins. So if you can see here, from 7th of August, these are the trades, and if I go to 228 page, you will see same 7th of August trade, 7 August, 7 August, 7 August, everything is 7th. If I go to 227th number page, you will see still 7th August, 7th August, 7th August page. I go to 226 number page, again there is trading on 7th August only. Okay, I go to 225 number page, again the trading is for 7th August. So buy sell you can see here, but still we are in the same day, and it's been 5 pages already, and the trading is being done in that day only, 7th August. You can see this 7th August, and we are at number 224 page. We go to 223, still 7th August trading. Okay, let's go to 221 number page. 221 page has also this 7th August 2 trades. So that means 9 pages of history in one day. Guys, let me tell you, I have Binance account, my main account, which was opened like four years of back, something like that. and I may have 2 pages of trading history in that account, because manually it is not possible to trade like this. I'm really amazed to see how fast this bot is trading for me in my account, and I'm not even lifting a finger to do any trade. So that's beautiful. Okay, if we go to 228 20 page, it's for 8 August. If we go to 218, that's again for 8 August. We go to 216, that's again 8 August. 214, that's again 8th of August. I believe if I go to 212, it may be, yeah, so 212 is also 8th August. So you can see how many trades are being done in a day, right? So this is how trading is being done at this in this boat. We can go here and we can check always in our account. So these are the open orders at this moment in my account. Okay, now let's go to the wallet. As I told you, I opened my account with $10,000, and right now in my account $11,585 is there, right? So guys, this is how perfect this opportunity is. This is how perfect this Kiwi bot is. It's making money for me. Yesterday's PNL was 2.17%, and I'm just loving it. I must tell you, uh, the beauty of this project, Kiwi project, is the money stays in our own account. Like in my case, this is my Binance account. I have my 2FA with me, Google Authenticator, right? That is with me. My email verification, phone SMS verification, that's all in my phone. Okay, so this is the beautiful thing actually. Our money is safe in our own account. We are not asking for a withdrawal from anyone, and we are making money every day. This boat is making money for me, and if you choose to trade with Kiwi through their boat, I'm sure you will have similar results or even better, less or more, because trading is always like that. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, so it's always according to the market. But yes, the boat is working perfect. I have tested it. I'm still testing it. So many accounts have been going live actually in these few days. People are creating their own testimonials as well, as they are making money. So this is a wonderful concept at this moment, at the very beginning, because Kiwi project is just in the soft launch. On 16th of September, compensation plan will go live. That is the time people have to pay, but right now Kiwi bot is free to use. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question or something like that, you can ask me anytime. I'm available on social medias. That's it for today. I'll be coming with more updates on my trading account in few days. Again, I'll show my live account here as well.